Then we fold everything together until the batter is ready. Mix gently so it's smooth and well combined, but be careful not to overmix. Now we use a scoop to place the batter into our cupcake liners. Try to fill each one evenly so they bake at the same rate and come out perfectly fluffy. Did you know the term cupcake originally referred to a cake that was baked in a cup and measured by the cup, not by weight? That's how it got its name. Now, using a piping bag, we fill the center of each cupcake with Nutella. Gently insert the tip into the batter and squeeze a little Nutella in, just enough to get a delicious surprise in every bite. Did you know Nutella was first created in 1964 in Italy, and since then it has become a favorite filling for cupcakes all around the world? Now we bake the cupcakes in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Look at this. The cupcakes turned out so soft and fluffy. And that's it. Look at these Nutella cupcakes. Perfectly soft, super fluffy, and bursting with rich chocolatey goodness in every bite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sweet recipes. See you in the next video.